How's it, guys? And welcome to Keep It Simple Cupid, the Qlik channel for tools, tips, and tricks. My videos are going to be short and hopefully powerful, so let's get straight into that. My first video is going to contain some tools, and yes, these are all from the Chrome Web Store. So these are all Google Chrome extensions that you can go and download and install using a normal Google Chrome browser. The first one we're going to have a look at is called Site Palette. So for Site Palette, as you can see, I've got my Site Palette extension installed and I've got a Qlik application open over here. I mainly use it to get colors from websites, including logos, most probably mainly logos. But as soon as we hit that, it will take a screenshot of that called Site Palette, very nice, neat. Color Cube, median cut, as well as a material design. So these are just 3 palettes it created. Copying and pasting, very, very easy to take these over to a Qlik app itself. And most probably the main reason is coolers. It integrates with coolers. So coolers is a palette generator. Mainly, once again, 2 reasons I like this. Copying is very easy. And then also, so if we copy that color, actually add a color, paste that, and changing the shade. So it makes it very easy to quickly build a palette from a palette, if I want to call it that. Okay, getting to our second extension. So the second extension is a bit more on the QMC administration side, working within the QMC itself. This is called Export Qlik Tables to CSV. Open in front of me, I've got a QMC at the moment. On looking at our apps, I've got a filter here and I've filtered out a few columns. I've got my Chrome extension installed, so hitting that, I can either copy these or export it to a file. So I'm going to say Q is Q CSV final, and then export that. And this actually works for any table within the QMC. So even opening up something like security rules, for this one, I'll actually just do a copy, go back to that one and paste. And as you can see, that is comma separated. If I actually copy the tab, it should actually put those in columns for me. So very easy getting some QMC tables out into Excel or CSV type form. Okay, and the third and last one I want to show you guys today is called AdSense. For AdSense, we definitely want to open a Qlik application. As you see, I've got it installed over here, so I'm going to hit that and go show. This is going to show a bunch of stuff on the screen, so let's quickly talk through that. Firstly, it's going to give us object IDs of every single object, as well as the object type, filter pane, gauge, and a pie chart. This is particularly nice if you work with distribution tools like Inprinting or Qlik to get those carried across. We always see some calculation time in milliseconds as well as the max. Those will actually change as we make selections, so we can identify slow objects within our application. If we hit this gear icon, it will bring up all the properties of that particular object. And then right at the bottom here we've got our complete script file. Yes, complete script file. That is amazing. Tables. We can also preview these tables. They actually show us keys, rows. The nice thing, we can actually copy these, so we can hit something like this and go and paste that data. All our dimensions within the whole application, as well as all our measures. Okay, guys, that was it for the first video. So firstly, thanks for watching, and then please hit that like button. There is options to subscribe, so that will be amazing. And then hit that bell button. See you guys next week.